play mind games. Stop forgiving men for stuff, and after you forgive them, then forgetting that you forgave them, and talk about the shit that you already forgave them for, and get mad about it. Stop doing that. You forgave them, forgive them. There's nothing worse than being a man that messed up in the past, and you trying to correct yourself, but your woman keep bringing the past up. So now every time you tell the truth, it sounds like you're lying, and when you're lying, it sounds like you're telling the truth. I'm saying, it's at the point in my relationship where I'm afraid for my wife to hear me have fun. I'm trying to shut fun down. Like, when she's not around and she call me, I get mad at my friend. Shut the fuck up. Everybody shut up. Look, put your seatbelts on. Buckle up. Put your seatbelt on. I don't know where she is. Look safe. We'll straight ahead until we figure this out. She's crazy. That's what women do. I'm telling you how you can tell a battered man. You know how you can tell a man that's been through so much emotionally? When you speak to him. Whenever you speak to a man and he starts talking about his relationship without you asking anything about it,